Good morning everyone and welcome back to another episode of Exhaust Noise. So today's the day we're putting on the new exhaust. I'm super excited for it. We're gonna go over to my boy Alex's place. Not the one with the Audi S5, my other boy Alex. And we're gonna let the car sit for a little bit. Maybe cool down for about an hour or so. We're gonna take off the old exhaust, we're gonna put the new one back in. And before anything else, we're gonna go through the car wash and then be on our way. I'll see you soon. What's up guys? So we are here at Alex's place. He has graciously allowed me for the second time to take up his entire driveway just to work up on my car. What's going on, brother? How you doing?
Good,
welcome
thank
to
you.
the vlog.
Oh, yeah.
Glad to have you on here, and thanks again for letting me use your place. Appreciate it. Last time we were here, we did the wheels, the fenders, and that took us... How long did that take us?
6 hours.
Like 6 hours. It was a pain. Here, let me show you something. So first of all, I finally washed the Jeep. This is something I don't do very often. There's a good reason for it. It does see off-roading, but that's not the reason I don't wash it. You see my little setup here? You have fenders like this, and then the wheel sticks out about halfway with a tire pattern this aggressive. Every single time it rains and it's not nice out, all the water on the road gets sprayed onto my car by my wheels. So right now we're gonna let the Jeep chill out for maybe about an hour or so, let the engine cool down, let the exhaust cool down, and then we're gonna do the install. So I'll see you guys in a little bit. So the first thing we're gonna do for this install, we're gonna disconnect the negative from the battery. And the reason for that, one, is because electricity courses through metal, and we don't want to randomly have a discharge and shock ourselves through it. And the second reason for this is if in case you ever install any new parts, disconnecting the negative will help the system reset itself a bit faster and adjust to the new part. Otherwise it might be a bit sluggish until it adjusts, so it'll take longer, it'll be difficult. Unfortunately, I thought I had a 10mm socket. I do not, so we're going to use an adjustable wrench. Tighten it here. So now we're gonna remove this little pin. And then we're gonna make sure that this does not touch the battery. And keep it over here. So the first thing we're gonna do is wanna remove this clamp over here. And since it's rusted, I'm gonna put some WD-40 on it to help make that a bit easier to take off. So we're gonna take our 15mm socket, we're gonna put on the bolt, and then we're just gonna unscrew the bolt to loosen the clamp. We're gonna take our holder removal pliers, we're gonna put it in here. And then we're just gonna pop that right out. Let's see here. Just like that. Alright, so Alex is gonna pop this one off just because he's got a better angle from that side than I do. That should be good. I'll just pull it out. There we go. Perfect. Alright, so now we're just gonna literally, the way to take this off, it's gonna be a bit violent, but you gotta just twist it until it comes all the way off. Also make sure it doesn't fall on your own face. There we go. We're now in the final stretch here. There we go. First thing we're gonna do is slide this right over here and let it hang over there. And then I'm gonna snap this into here. Just wiggle it while it's fully on.
That's actually, I think, as far as it goes.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Alright. So
Now, actually, you want to just double check this bolt right here. Get a good view.
Yeah. That slide into there. Just like that. Perfect. And the same thing on this side. Just pop it back on. Now we got our little exhaust. So, the last thing we want to do, we're going to move this clamp back over here. Slide it over our MagnaFlow. And then we're going to put in our 15mm. Okay, and then here we go. Nice and tight. Here is reattach the negative on the battery. Make sure it's nice and tight. Would have been way easier with a 10mm socket, but sometimes in life
you gotta try tools you're not used to.
Exactly, you gotta make do with what you get. Perfect. It looks so sick. I'm so happy with the way this turned out. So first things first, let's take a look at the cold startup from last video, just for comparison's sake. We're gonna do a cold startup right here. I'm not gonna rev it this time because, well, there's houses around and I don't want Alex to get in trouble for it. But without further ado, here's a cold startup with a brand new exhaust. Now that we're a little bit further away from civilization, we're gonna give it a couple revs and see what the difference is. So sweet, so much better. So we're gonna try and see if we can get inside a tunnel and rev it in there, and that I think is gonna be super,
hey, it's
super
a Jeep
cool
party
and super loud. First gear and full send. What do you think, Alex? How does it sound?
It was a little terrifying, but I think that's what the other people might be thinking.
Probably. That's gonna be it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. If there's any mods you want to see done to the Jeep that I would consider, please let me know in the comments below. I'm thinking of putting in a new hood up next. Something that's gonna be really cool. It's gonna give it a little more of an aggressive look. And I'll see you next time on Exhaust Noise. Peace.